Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are looking for a good quality drone on an optimal budget, then you are watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the drones considering the quality, durability, demand, customer rating, and order etc. I hope you like my drone reviews and you get the best quality drone you want. You may request that the video be watched in full, as the video is larger. All the links of the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In number 5, the best budget drone is Syma W1 GPS drone. Considering its cheap price, quality, durability, customer rating, and customer demand, I have put this drone at number 5 on my list. The new compact Syma W1 Pro Explorer drone is compact and portable. It has advanced features for a small drone. It features a GPS positioning system for GPS position hold, return to home functionality and other smart flight modes. It integrates a 1080-pixel HD camera, which transmits real-time HD videos and photos directly to a smartphone via the app. Recently this drone price is $109.99. Some outstanding feature of this drone are: the W1 is powered by a high-performance computing kernel that can be performed on a mobile phone or tablet control. With gesture operation, character flow function, more simple and convenient, flight distance can reach 200 meters, can see the distant scenery in real time. Provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. Built-in return to home function for safer fly. The drone will automatically return to home, never worrying about losing the drone. The aircraft can be connected through Wi-Fi, and the real-time transmission function can be activated, to take aerial pictures of the aircraft, overall control and viewing. Image feedback clear, fast 200 meters unimpeded. This drone has gesture photography system. Gesture the camera and take a picture and videos. 1080-pixel HD colorful resolution, excellent anti-shake technology. By tracking, the aircraft will automatically flow and capture every move you make from a unique aerial angle. When this feature is turned on, the camera will focus on the phone and stay away from the phone at the moment. You can set specific buildings, objects or locations as points of interest. Set the height and radius of the circle. On one, the plane can fly around the center V-point automatically, easily shooting the master lens effect. In number 4, the best drone is SG906 Pro GPS drone. The SG906 drone is a well-designed foldable drone that comes with an HD camera, dual GPS modules and intelligent flight modes. The camera can shoot images in 4K and record videos in 2K. It does not have a gimbal, but there is a stabilization feature within the drone app which does a decent job of reducing distortion in the videos and images. It has several intelligent flight modes, which are fun to use, and a flight time of around 20 minutes. This is a decent drone, overall, and suitable for everyone. Now this drone price is $125.09. This drone have outstanding feature are: the remote control adopts ergonomic folding design. Hold the mobile phone while unfolding. It's comfortable and easy to handle. You can check the power at any time, an easy replacement. Short press the switch to display the power, long press the switch to turn on the power. It has optical flow and GPS mode technology. Realize hover mode of height and position in an accurate way. Achieve wind resistance and aerial photo stability. This drone has film-level video resolution. 4K anti-shake HD, outstanding optics performance, can record every unforgettable moment in your life. Connect the aircraft by Wi-Fi, and start the real-time transmission function, so that you can fully control and watch the aerial photos of the aircraft, with clear image back transmission, and record everything you want to record. You're the main character, no matter where you are going. Vision tracking system is supported by AI technology, and UAV can pinpoint targets precisely. It has experience route planning. Flight without remote control, app map pinpoints place exactly. You can fly to any place you want. Play new patterns at 360 degrees. Achieve the effect of large FIM level. You can download the officially designated app and connect to the aircraft by Wi-Fi. You can control the aircraft through the mobile phone. It has comprehensive functions and more simple operation. In number 3, the best drone is L109RC drone. This drone has all the new technology that makes it easy to operation. It is a masterful balance of portability, price, image quality, fan convenience. Its technical specifications are astonishing. About 4.5 hours charging time, about 25 minutes flight time, about 1000 meter remote distance, 11.1 volt, 1600 mAh lithium battery, etc. It provides altitude hold, gravity sensor mode, speed modes, GPS positioning mode, optical follow mode, 3840 to 2160 HD camera, which makes operation much easier and safer for beginners. Recently this drone price is $142.06. Overall, I have been highly impressed with the build, flight time and comfort controlling, especially considering its budget price. The main feature of this drone is: this drone has superior handling performance. Ultra-long control distance, high-definition image return, discover new perspectives from different angles, record wonderful moments. It has GPS optical flow mode switching system. Indoor flight automatically recognizes optical flow mode, outdoor light automatically switches GPS, optical flow dual mode. The L109 is equipped with a 4K large-angle high-definition camera designed for aerial photography. It has strong detail performance, while ensuring compact design. With deep learning-based gesture recognition, you no longer rely on mobile phones. Remote control, and you can easily take and self-timer with a wave of your hand. Let the L109 be an extension of your arm, and make the control handy. The aircraft autonomously flies according to the preset route, and the player concentrates on shooting. Find center point, and set the surround height and radius via the phone app. Connect the aircraft Wi-Fi, instead of the remote control, to achieve control of the aircraft. In number 2, the best budget drone is GW198 Selfie Global Drone. This Selfie Global Drone review looks at the outstanding features, specifications and frequently asked questions on this latest mini quadcopter. To fit so much technology into the selfie drone is a tremendous feat of engineering, elegant design and new innovation. In this review, I give you a nice overview of this new mini drone, and its outstanding features such as: the selfie drone has flycam range, distance, max height, altitude, frequency, sensors, transmission, gimbal, cameras, flight compatibility and much more. Already this drone price is $170.23, however, this drone have some main features are: this drone has GPS positioning system. This drone with the powerful GPS not only can capture your position precisely anytime, but also provide the smart automatic return home function. One key return, low voltage return and no signal return, which will keep your drone fly back to you safely and always under control. It has 1080 pixel, 120 degree wide angle HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. GPS fixed height and position will definitely bring you the high experience of fluent and stable photograph, selfie shots and live video. To record every fabulous moment of your life with you. GW198 has intelligent following function. With the help of the app, GW198 will achieve the follow me function easily. Just click the follow mode icon, the drone will locate the connecting Wi-Fi signal of your smartphone or pad. GW198 will fly along with you, when you move. If you want to stop the follow mode, just simply click the icon again, then the drone will hover stably of the position, where you cancel the function. When you located by the satellites, with the help of its camera system. Only one key you can make the drone to fly surrounding, and adjust the flight height to take pictures. This drone built in 7.4 volt, 1800 mAh powerful battery. GW198 has longer endurance time, because of its built-in brushless motors, and the whole fly system will offer the flight time for up to 18 to 21 minutes with high energy efficiency power. Speed up quickly, stop immediately and more agile. In number 1, the budget drone is new brushless 5G Wi-Fi GPS RC drone. This is a smart quadcopter that serves beginners as well as experienced users alike. It is one of the most affordable drone for traveling purposes. This drone has all the new technology that makes it more convenient. It is a masterful balance of portability, price, image quality, and convenience. The specifications of this drone. About 30 minutes flight time, about 2,000 meters remote distance, and about 240 minutes charging time and about 4,000 mAh battery etc. It provides headless mode, altitude hold, Wi-Fi FPV, optical flow positioning, gesture photo, 3D flip, G sensor, waypoint fly, 1080 pixel HD camera, which makes operation much easier and safer for beginners. Recently this drone our price is $178.16. This drone have some main features such as the high-resolution 4K camera with 120-degree adjustable angle, and 90-degree remote control, and 5G Wi-Fi image transmission, captures the most beautiful scenery. And offers super sharp image. The camera drone provides altitude hold. The drone's direction will be orientated to the direction of the pilot. One key takeoff and landing and emergency landing function. The drones with camera comes with powerful 11.1 volt, 4,000 mAh modular batteries in the Playing Toys drone whole set, which can support longer flight time for you. The modular design ensures the safety of charge and storage. The drones with camera for adults is equipped with 1080 pixel HD camera, which captures high-quality video and photos. Take things to new highs and enjoy a live video feed in high definition straight to your mobile device. You can expect to get about 30 minutes of flight time. It has a typical range of 60 meters or so. Keep in mind that the Wi-Fi first-person view feed probably will be 2,000 meters or less even though the range of the remote. When facing the front lens of the camera, specified gestures can be recognized and connect to the camera function of the aircraft. You can take photos by victory gestures and shoot videos by box gestures or palm gestures. Don't forget to subscribe and I request to share this video.